In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how you can add rounded corners to shapes that you've already created in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so let's create a rectangle. You'll notice that we've got the rounded rectangle tool here, but for this, we're going to use the rectangle tool and just create a four-sided shape. Then selecting that, we're going to go up to Effect, down to Stylize, and then select Round Corners, and just tick the preview box on. And you'll see as we increase the radius, the corners get progressively more rounded. And we can click OK. And then if we press Command Y on the Mac or Control Y on the PC, you'll see that essentially it's still recognized as a rectangle. But what we're seeing is just the rounded corner effect. And you can see this in the Appearance palette on the right. You can see we've got round corners listed. And one of the benefits of this is that you can click this and then go and edit this at a later date. And you can make it smaller or bigger. Or you can delete the effect entirely. Once you've finished and you're happy with the radius of your corners, you can, of course, let's switch back to this view so you can see, select your shape, go to Object, Expand Appearance, and then it will make this shape as you see it. And if you select it and go to the Appearance palette on the right, you'll see it's no longer listed as an editable option. And it's not just four-sided shapes you can do this with. If we select the star tool, then we'll create a star with 5 points. Let's create a very typical star. Okay, so we'll just select that. We'll go Effect, Stylize, Round Corners. And as you can see, you can just click and hold and see how the shape changes as you increase or decrease the radius. And you can do this for any shapes, and you can get some quite bizarre and unexpected results sometimes. Let's do one more. Let's do the polygon tool. So we'll create a hexagon. Then we'll go to Effect, Stylize, and Round Corners. Okay, so you'll see it start from square edges and they just get progressively rounder. And that's how you round off corners to existing shapes in Adobe Illustrator.